Did you know we've explored less than 5% of the ocean? And that in the darkest depths of our planet, there are creatures so bizarre they seem to come from another world? Imagine transparent animals, fish with teeth bigger than their own bodies, and creatures that create their own light in a place where the sun never reaches. Today, you're going to discover the most disturbing and fascinating animals ever found in the ocean's depths. And I guarantee you, some of them will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about life on Earth. Stay until the end because the last animal on this list is so strange that scientists still can't fully explain how it survives. Welcome to the abyss. We're talking about depths beyond 1,000 meters, where the pressure is crushing, the temperature near freezing, and the darkness is absolute. It's an alien world right here on our own planet. And in recent decades, with advances in deep-sea exploration technology, we've discovered creatures that defy our imagination. The deep ocean holds secrets that humanity is only beginning to uncover. And each dive into these dark waters reveals life forms so surprising they seem to have been designed by nature in a moment of pure creativity or madness. Brace yourself because what you're about to see will leave you speechless. Creature 5. The dragonfish. Let's start with a creature that looks like it came straight out of a nightmare. The dragonfish. About 6 inches long, this predator has teeth so large and sharp, they don't even fit inside its mouth. It lives between 1,600 and 6,500 feet deep and possesses something truly fascinating. Bioluminescent organs beneath its eyes that work like infrared headlights. But here's the disturbing detail. Only it can see this light. It's like having night vision goggles while its prey remains completely blind to its presence. It approaches silently, illuminates its victim without them noticing, and strikes with deadly precision. Evolution created the perfect assassin of the depths. Creature 4. The goblin shark. If you think sharks are scary, wait until you meet the goblin shark. Found at depths of 4,000 feet, this living fossil, yes, it's been around for over 125 million years, has an appearance that can only be described as disturbing. Its long, flattened snout projects like a blade, and its jaw, oh, the jaw. It can be thrust forward from the skull at surprising speed to capture prey. It's like its face literally dislocates forward. Its skin is pink and flabby due to the lack of muscles needed in deep waters, and its small eyes indicate it relies more on electroreceptors for hunting than on vision. A true prehistoric monster that still lives among us. Creature 3. The Dumbo octopus. Now, not everything in the depths is terrifying. The Dumbo octopus is perhaps the most adorable creature you'll find at 23,000 feet deep. With ears that are actually fins resembling the Disney elephant, this tiny cephalopod floats gracefully through the dark waters. But don't be fooled by its cute appearance. Living at extreme depths required incredible adaptations. It has no ink glands for defense like other octopuses, because down there, in total darkness, it wouldn't make sense. Its gelatinous body structure withstands pressures that would literally crush a human being in seconds. It's proof that life finds a way, even in the most inhospitable places. Creature 2. The fangtooth. With a name that says it all, the fangtooth has proportionally the largest teeth of any marine animal relative to its body size. Its teeth are so large that nature had to create special cavities on the sides of its brain so the mouth can close completely. Living between 1,600 and 16,000 feet deep, this dark and intimidating fish has an appearance that seems to have been sculpted by nightmares themselves. Despite being only 6 inches long, it's a voracious predator. And here's something surprising. The juveniles of this species are completely different from the adults. So different that for decades, scientists thought they were separate species. Creature 1. The viperfish and the mystery of the melanocetus. And we've reached number 1. Actually, I'm going to introduce you to 2 equally disturbing creatures. The viperfish is equipped with teeth so long, it literally can't close its mouth. These curved teeth function like cages, preventing any prey from escaping once captured. It has photophores along its entire body, creating a spectacle of bioluminescent lights that attracts curious prey straight into its deadly trap. But I especially want to talk about the melanocetus, the black devil anglerfish. And here's where the story gets really bizarre. Females of this species can reach 7 inches and have a bioluminescent fishing rod protruding from their head to attract prey. But the males? The males are tiny, about 3/4 of an inch, and parasitic. That's right. When a male finds a female, he bites and literally fuses to her. Their circulatory systems connect, and he becomes permanently attached, living as a parasite that only serves to provide sperm when needed. He loses his organs, his eyes, everything. It's one of the strangest and most disturbing relationships in the entire animal kingdom. And there you have it. 5 of the strangest and most fascinating creatures inhabiting the depths of our ocean. Each one reminds us that Earth is still a planet full of mysteries and that we don't need to go to space to find truly alien life forms. Think about it. While you're watching this video, there are creatures thousands of feet deep, in a world of darkness and absurd pressure, living lives we can barely comprehend. They evolved in an environment so extreme, they developed abilities that seem like magic, creating their own light, surviving without sunlight, hunting in absolute darkness. And the most impressive part? We're only scratching the surface. Scientists estimate we haven't yet discovered about 91% of all marine species that exist. How many other bizarre creatures are still down there, waiting to be found? If you were as fascinated by these creatures as I was, smash that like button so the algorithm shows this content to more curious people like you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because every week I bring you incredible content about the mysteries of our planet. And tell me in the comments, which of these creatures did you find most impressive? Would you have the courage to dive into the ocean's depths knowing these animals are down there? I read all the comments and love interacting with you guys. Before you go, let me tell you one last thing that'll stick in your mind. The ocean averages 12,500 feet deep. The deepest known point is the Mariana Trench at an impressive 36,000 feet, and we've only explored about 5% of it in detail. That means right beneath us at this very moment, there's an entire world, larger than all the continents combined, that remains a mystery, a dark, silent world, teeming with creatures our minds can barely imagine. And maybe, just maybe, the strangest creatures haven't even been discovered yet. Until the next exploration, and remember, the real terror isn't in outer space. It's right here, in the depths of our own planet.